Choosing a new roof installer. Here's how to avoid the three biggest mistakes that homeowners make when choosing a new roof installer. I've seen these mistakes cost families tens of thousands of dollars in damage, and in some cases, put their entire home at risk. Just last month, I met with Sarah, a homeowner who hired the cheapest contractor she could find. 6 months later, during a heavy storm, her ceiling started leaking in 3 different places. When we inspected the roof, we found substandard materials, improper installation, and no proper underlayment system. The repair costs? More than double what she would have paid for quality installation in the first place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to avoid the 3 critical mistakes that I see homeowners make when choosing a roofing contractor. I've been protecting New Jersey homes for over 2 decades, and I've seen firsthand how these mistakes can turn a simple roof replacement into a costly nightmare. But before we dive in, let me be clear. This isn't just about avoiding bad contractors. This is about protecting your family's biggest investment and ensuring you have complete peace of mind during every storm for the next 30 years. Because when it comes to your roof, you don't get a second chance to do it right. Mistake number 1, hiring the cheapest contractor. Let me tell you something that might surprise you. The cheapest roofing bid often ends up being the most expensive in the long run. Here's why. These contractors are working on razor-thin profit margins. When every penny counts, they're forced to cut corners just to make ends meet. Think about it. They might use good quality shingles on top because that's what you can see. But underneath, that's where the real problems begin. They'll skimp on the quality of underlayments, they will use the cheapest possible roof flashing, and forget about proper ventilation altogether. These days, a proper roof isn't just about shingles. It's a complete system that works together to protect your home. And here's what most homeowners don't realize. When these cheaper materials fail, it's rarely covered by warranty. Why? Because improper installation voids manufacturer's warranties, leaving you completely exposed to thousands of dollars in repair costs. Mistake number 2, hiring a jack of all trades. Now, this next mistake is something I see all too often. Hiring a general contractor or handyman for your roof installation. Let me share a quick story that illustrates why this is so dangerous. Last week, we were called to inspect a 2-year-old roof that was already failing. The homeowner had hired a general contractor who did everything. And when I say everything, I mean bathrooms, kitchens, and once in a while roofs. Here's the thing. If you make a mistake installing tile in your bathroom, it might not look great, but it won't threaten your home's structure. Now, when you don't install a roof correctly, you're risking catastrophic damage to your entire house. Roofing has become incredibly specialized. Today's roofing systems require specific knowledge about ventilation, water barriers, and proper installation techniques. A jack of all trades simply doesn't have the depth of experience needed to handle these complex systems properly. Before I reveal the 3rd mistake, if you're considering a roof replacement in the next 6 to 12 months, I've put together a comprehensive roof inspection checklist that you can download for free. Just click the link in the description below to get your copy. This checklist will help you spot early warning signs of roof failure and know exactly what to look for in your next roof installation. Mistake number 3, not researching the company that you plan on hiring. The 3rd critical mistake homeowners make is failing to properly research their roofing contractor. This one's actually the easiest to avoid, yet surprisingly, many people skip this crucial step. Here's what proper research should look like. First, check their online reviews. But don't just look at the star rating. Really read the reviews. In the roofing industry, anything less than a 4.7 star rating should raise red flags. A 4.3 star rating might sound good, but in roofing, it often indicates serious issues with quality or service. Next, check their Better Business Bureau profile. This costs absolutely nothing, but can save you thousands in headaches later. Look for how long they've been accredited. This shows stability and commitment to quality. Also pay attention to how they handle complaints. Every company might get a complaint occasionally, but great companies resolve them quickly and professionally. Here's a real example. Just last month, we took over a project from a contractor who had great prices, but as the homeowner discovered too late, had multiple unresolved complaints with the Better Business Bureau. The homeowner had already paid a deposit, and the contractor disappeared. Don't let this happen to you. So there you have it, the 3 biggest mistakes to avoid when choosing a roofing contractor. hiring based on lowest price, trusting a jack of all trades, and skipping the proper research? Remember, your roof is your home's first line of defense against the elements. It's not just about getting new shingles, it's about protecting your family and your investment for decades to come. If you found this video helpful, you'll definitely want to check out my next video, where I show you the exact questions to ask a roofing contractor before signing any contract. These questions will help you spot the red flags we talked about today and ensure you're getting the best possible installation for your home. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.